Okay, so now we're going to review U-try number 2. Problem reads, solve for the area of the triangle. First, I need to ask myself, what formula do I need to solve for the area of the triangle? As discovered before, we can still use area equals half BH. Next, I need to ask myself, what are the correct measurements needed? I first need to identify the base and height. I see that I have 2 measurements making up the entire base. Here's my entire base. So I'm going to go ahead and add both of those together. So 8 plus 3.9, line up your decimals, is 11.9. So my new base is 11.9 feet, and I'm going to replace my B with 11.9 feet. Next, I need to locate my height. I know I can find my height by looking for the location of the right angle. So here is the height of the entire triangle is 5.2. I'm going to replace my H with 5.2. And next, now I need to multiply my base times my height. So 11.9 times 5.2. 9 times 2 is 18. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 1 is 3. 2 times 1 is 2. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 4 is 9. 5 times 1 is 5. Add them up, 8, 8, 11, and 6. There are 2 decimal places, so 2 decimal places in my answer. Now I know that multiplying by a half is the same as dividing by 2. So I'm going to divide by 2. 2 goes into 6 3 times. 2 goes into 1 0 times. 2 goes into 18 9 times. And 2 goes into 8 4 times. Bring up that decimal. Final answer is 30.94 feet squared. Notice that is the same answer we got from U-try number 1 using the same triangle and measurements. So today you have learned that the formula to solve for the area of an acute triangle is the same as the area of the formula for the area of a right triangle. So area equals half base times height. There are 2 strategies to solve for the area of an acute triangle. One is either finding the area of both right triangles and then adding them together, or you can solve for the area of the entire triangle by adding the 2 bases together and then solving for the area. Now you can complete your independent practice, and be sure to use your notes, and don't forget to complete your exit ticket.